Are you tired of jumping between different apps just to manage your money? What if your banking, saving, investing, and even auto loan accounts could all live comfortably in one place, right on your phone? That's the promise of the Ally mobile app. It's designed to bring all your Ally accounts into a single, seamless digital experience. Whether you're banking online, growing your investments, or making a car payment, the Ally app is built for simplicity and power. Today, we're taking a full walkthrough to show you exactly how it works and how you can take control of your entire financial life right from your pocket. Main content. Once you log in, which you can do securely with biometric ID, you land on the snapshot screen. This is your central hub. Right here, you get a quick, real-time overview of your Ally Bank, Ally Invest, Ally Credit Card, and Ally Auto accounts. No more guesswork, just a clear picture of your finances. Let's dive into banking. Tapping on your high-yield savings account is where the magic happens. Ally's Buckets feature is a game-changer for saving. You can divide your single savings account balance into up to 30 custom categories, like a house down payment bucket or a vacation fund bucket, all earning the same great interest. Need to move money? Transfers between your Ally accounts are instant and free. And for deposits, you can snap a picture of a check right from here with Ally eCheck Deposit. Now, on to spending. If you have an Ally spending account, you'll see your transaction history and can easily pay bills using the Bill Pay feature. And if you're sending money to friends, you can quickly access Zelle directly within the app. Next, the Investing tab. For Ally Invest users, you can monitor your portfolio, check market performance, and even place trades for stocks or ETFs directly on the go. You get access to key tools like the TipRank Smart Score to help inform your decisions, keeping your trading simple yet sophisticated. Finally, navigating the app itself is super easy. The bottom menu gives you quick access to the main sections, and in the Menu tab, you'll find essential services, setting up custom account alerts, managing your physical cards by temporarily locking them if misplaced, and connecting with Ally Assist, the in-app virtual assistant that can answer questions or guide you through tasks 24/7. It's a powerful tool designed to make managing your money feel less like a chore and more like a simple scroll. The Ally app truly delivers an all-in-one experience, proving that a comprehensive financial tool doesn't have to be complicated. If you're looking for a powerful, seamless way to manage all your accounts, the Ally mobile app is tough to beat. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.